Buongiorno, sono Marisa Raul. My name is Marisa Raul, and welcome back to Tales from Tuscany. I'm here in spectacularly sunny Sydney this morning, or this afternoon actually. It is gone afternoon, and I'm here to announce this is number 2 episode. I'm so excited, already number 2. Thank you to all my lovely followers and people that have subscribed, people that have liked the videos. Please continue to do so. I just love and appreciate your support so much. I'm sitting here by the waterfront in Sydney, but I'm Tuscany dreaming all the same. And today I have the absolute pleasure of sharing with you our lovely little video that we were sent by our real estate agent. It was the first time we walked through virtually through the house in Chianni in Tuscany, and I'm sharing it with you today. I'm voicing over so that you can understand everything that's going on, because my beautiful real estate agent Elisa, of course, was speaking to me in Italian. But I'll explain what the rooms are all doing. I've added some lovely Pinterest photos from my dream board so you can see what our dream for the house is. We're going to be adding a lot of warmth and texture and really bring that authenticity of Tuscany back into a house that has been really well renovated as far as updating everything, but it is now needing that soul back. It needs us to bring our personalities and the soul back into the home, which we will be doing, and I can't wait to share that with you. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoy walking through the house with me and seeing our vision. I can't wait to see the rest of the journey and live the rest of the journey, and hope that you come along with us, with David and I. So thank you so much. Sit back and enjoy. Welcome to Chianni in Tuscany. See you soon. Ciao. Welcome to our 3-story little house in Chianni. Here we go. So we're approaching the house now from a little non-drivable courtyard, if you like, and we come through this lovely arch. You can imagine when it would all be back to stone. There's some great storage under the stairs there. I think we'll be putting logs there. And here we go into piano terra, or the ground floor, which is a cantina. It's all been retiled, as you can see. The beams are all in amazing condition, beautiful stone walls. All the plumbing and electricity has been redone, and this is the look we're going for. Very chill, very rustic, very simple, natural tones, lots of stone. They will be repointed, adding a little bit of colour, adding that authenticity with a stone sink. So that will be a little kitchenette along that left wall. The rest of the area for the moment, we really just want it to be like a real chill summer lounge area that you can come down to, because downstairs rooms, there you go, lovely big cushions, low seating. Rooms like this stay really cool in summertime. The doorway that you saw will be painted a different colour. We're looking at maybe a grey-blue colour. And of course there's a little window looking to the back courtyard. Now that's the look for the front of the house eventually. So as you come back out, you can just imagine that lovely archway all taken back to stone with a lovely old-fashioned grate like that to close it off. Then we come around the side and up the travertine stairs. The front of those stairs we're hoping to finish off with some pretty tiles, add lots of pots and colour to the staircase, just like you saw in the photos. We have a little front balcony where we can pop a little seat, some pots, and then in we go. So here's the plan for the first floor. There is a kitchen slash living kind of area, but we're going to change it and make it just a country kitchen. So for the moment, there's some of our maybe colour palettes. We're not sure yet. Once we get there, we'll know better. But there will be a rustic kitchen island rather than a dining table like they have at present. Along the side, left-hand side where the fireplace is, we're looking to do lovely rustic built-ins as in the photo, using masonry and lovely maybe stone countertops built either side of the fireplace. And the sink, you'll see a photo after, but the sink, which is sort of stuck in a little funny corner at the moment, there's the oven. We'll have a larger oven there, a lovely black, more authentic, rustic looking oven. There's great storage under the staircase. That's a look I'd love to see for our little kitchen window. It has a gorgeous outlook. So the new stone sink, I will be popping under that window and being able to look out onto the lovely little square that we have behind. So we look onto two little courtyard squares, if you like, little piazzas from both that side of the house and the front. And there's a bit of an idea for you of the stone sink. But all of the flooring has been done in lovely terracotta, pale terracotta. The beams are the traditional Tuscan beams on the ceiling, lovely high ceilings. We're going to put in some lovely lighting over our gorgeous island, as you saw, that kind of thing through the centre. And I love the simple black and with the green marble stairs going up. Now that's my girlfriend's little drawing for me of the lounge room, because this is actually officially a bedroom, but we're just going to turn it into a lovely lounge area. Again, there is my Pinterest dream board of colourways, lovely subtle colourways. This is a ripostiglio, which is a really handy storage room. We'll put a little locked door on that to hide things away. Again, some of the ideas we have for this room. So we'll have lovely big comfy couch in the wider part where this bed is at the moment. That will be a little mini kind of dining area, cafe style dining area. And then add on to our gorgeous little balcony, which will fit just a cute little table and chairs. But look at that lovely, authentic little piazza we're looking out onto. I really love the outlook here. There are in summer there's lots of trees. The people downstairs have an umbrella up. Lovely terraces around from other homes. There's beautiful, it's a cobbled sort of, terrace underneath. Lovely trees in the distance. Just all the authentic walls, stone walls, the terracotta tiles. Just a real village outlook, but I love it. Of course, this room will be changing the lighting, adding texture to the walls, like in my photographs. Again, lovely beiges and creams and touches of greenery, because I love the greens mixed in, and maybe some of those raspberry reds. We'll see, but lovely older style lighting as well, and just bringing that warmth in. For the moment we're leaving the terrazzo floors, but that photo, for example, I would eventually love to have something really different in here, either some really old terracotta tomettes, the old-fashioned terracotta flooring, or something with colour. So a few more steps up, so it's like a split level house. We go into the other camera or bedroom, so it was 2 bedrooms, but we're just going to keep the one. This is the smaller one, but it will be plenty big enough for us. And this is the missing part of the video of the bathroom. So the green bathroom you saw is what we have. These are my dream board pictures of how I'd like to convert it. This is the attic, which is above the bedroom, which is fantastic storage, and I've picked out some great storage ideas on Pinterest, as you can see. So that's a really usable space. Also, the people that have been to visit for me have said how lovely and warm and sunny it is up there. As you can see, all brand new heating systems, water systems, amazing wiring, everything is brand new. We're so lucky that we bought a house that was totally restored, new roof. You can see the roof is absolutely brand new, and that attic area is clean as a whistle. Little tiny windows which are cute as pie, looking out onto that other little piazza, the same side as the kitchen window, and then a lovely big Velux or ceiling light window, in the ceiling there, which gives it lots of light. An attic garden, perhaps? I was thinking some little pot plants could sit under there and they would stay growing all winter. So back down the little steps, she's taking us back down the little steps back into the bedroom again. Again, another vision board. I'd love to put a really beautiful wall mural behind the bed. And obviously it won't be a bed pushed up against a wall like they have at the moment. This will look totally different. Where that chair is, I'm thinking of a beautiful old-fashioned armoire, some lovely long linen curtains at the window, just to give it that more romantic. I want it to be an absolute romantic love nest, but as you can see, it's lovely and bright and light, and this was a fairly grey day when she took this video. So again, a lovely outlook onto the piazza, onto the other rooftops and buildings of the village, and then back into the staircase which has the terrazzo floors. She's spinning around to show us again. You can see the green bathroom from here. Again, just some more wall murals that took my eye on Pinterest. So I'm just sharing that one. I think is spectacular. I think that one there I'm really going for. Anyway, so back down the stairs again. So it's lovely and easy because even though we have 3 stories, they're kind of split into different smaller levels. So not too many stairs each time, and lovely high ceilings in the staircase. You don't have to bob down like you do in some old-fashioned houses. She's just spinning around and showing us the lounge area again, or what they call the other bedroom, and then back down the travertine stairs and back into the lovely, what will be our country kitchen. Again, those beautiful ceiling beams. We'll be taking one of those modern lights and putting something really gorgeous. I love this look with something hanging down with lights and things that you can hang things from. That is the actual kitchen island I'm looking at putting at the moment, which has a pull-out table at the end. That was the little electricity box that she was showing us to show us that all of the power had all been redone. She actually opened that up and showed us the inside of that. Again, as I said, where that stove is at the moment, we're going to get a lovely, larger, wider stove, probably in matte black, to make it look a little bit more rustic. And then we're back out the front door, onto our little balcony, back into that lovely little courtyard area, pedestrian courtyard, and the surrounding homes. And there we go. So the outside of the building will be totally, there's that new roof, totally removed, all of that grey rendering you're seeing, and we'll come back to the traditional Tuscan stone, and it'll look just beautiful.